Hello students, today we'll move on to the concept of perfect squares. There are certain sums I have given you, certain parts you have to calculate or you have to find out whether they are perfect squares or not. Question number 1, which of the following are perfect squares? Number 1, 484, number 2, 625, number 3, 941, number 4, 961 and number 5, 2500. Now, moving on to the first part, 484. How shall we know? By merely looking at the number, we might not know whether it is a perfect square or not. So, the process, check out the process that I have done. 484. To find out whether it's a perfect square or not, we will calculate the prime, we will find out the prime factors of 484. So, the prime factors of 484, as I have done out here, see the workout. I have done out here, the prime factors of 484 is 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. This is how we write the prime factors, okay? I hope all of you must be knowing, you have done it in your previous classes also, how to write down the prime factors. So, 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Now, you can see here that 2 is in pair, 11 is in pair. So, the numbers are actually in pairs. Now, since the number are in pairs, there is no prime factor left out. See, there is no prime factor left. They are in pair. They are together. Like 2 into 2, it's in pair. 11 into 11, it is in pair. So, by observation, the prime factors are in equal pairs. So, hence 484 is a perfect square. Since they, see, I have shown it very clearly. This is in pair. This is also in pair. None of the prime factor is left out. So, they are in equal pairs. So, hence 484 is a perfect square. This is how you will be doing it to show whether it's a perfect square or not. 625. See, I have find out the prime factors of 625. So, I write it down 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Again, I see that the numbers are in equal pairs. See, none of the prime factor is left out. I have underlined it. You will also underline it to show they are in equal pairs. So, all prime factors are in equal pairs. Hence, 625 is also a perfect square. Third one, 941. You try to find out the prime factors of 941. You won't be able to find out since 945 itself is a prime number. 945, you can get 945 by simply multiplying it with 1. So, 941 itself is a prime factor. So, therefore, 945 is not a perfect square because you don't have any prime factors which will be in equal pairs. So, it's a prime number. So, prime number cannot be a perfect square. So, it is not a perfect square. 961. Find out the prime factors of 961. 31. 31. So, 31 into 31. Again, it is an equal pair. So, the prime factor is in equal pairs. Hence, 961 is also a perfect square. Lastly, 2500. I find out all the factors. See, the arrangement is little different. You can find it out your way. So, I write down the prime factors 2 into 2, 5 into 5, 5 into 5. And I underline the prime, the pairs. I have underlined it. Again, you can see here that they are in equal pairs. None of the factors is left out. So, all prime factors are in equal pairs. Hence, 2500 is also a perfect square. So, children, go through the sum and see how will you check whether it is a perfect square or not. I shall be giving you a question, similar kind of question where you have to find out whether the numbers are in perfect squares. You will do exactly the way I have done it. If you have any doubts, please ask your doubts